Hello everyone, here we are with another episode of luxury bag repairing and restorations. Today I've got this original Louis Vuitton case which a customer asked me to polish brass parts, wash it up. It's a bit dusty and dirty. Clean up this spot. It's in very good condition. The price of this is roughly $2,000 second hand, and they asked me to remove this LMC, which these are letters belong to the previous owner, and it goes to new owner to America. That's it, nothing much. Just I need to polish brass corners and start all the corners, a little bit cleaning. I'm going to wrap it up to prevent from any scratch or dust and damage, and then I'll start sanding, polishing corners. Alright, I wrapped it up. It took 2 hours to wrap it up the proper way to prevent damage. I'll start polishing now. I cleaned up a little bit here. You see the difference of the color. Alright, I polished the brasses. There are some black spots which I can focus. It's possible to remove them by hand, no need machine. There's some dirt from buffing. I need to wash it up now. And from washing, I mean cleaning, not washing by water. Just need to clean all these germs. And it's almost ready. Need to open this plastic, clean the case and brass accessories, and that's it. Here I show a tip how I cleaned up. This starts with for this couple of studs I do individually one by one, because it's easier and faster to do like that. Definitely use some tape. You don't want to mess up with your bag, main part, or leather. See the difference between these two. Works quickly, but I don't buff it now because it doesn't need buff. It's fine. I guess do some more with tissues and cloth. Okay, as I said, customer asked to remove this LMC from here. I scratched it a bit. I filled with, because they embossed it, it was a bit lower the surface of the leather than the main leather, so I filled it a bit with paint and filler. I need to do it again and then sand it to bring it to the same surface and fully paint it from here all yeah, to look the same color, not any sign, because it's not nice like this. Then next level I'm going for cleaning. First thing I do, I use my cleaner cream to actually do the corners like this with earpods. See, it's quite dirty, dusty. And then for main part I use soft cotton cloth, and we'll see how it will be. I remove this stain here, but it's a little bit, there is contrast. I'll fix it as well to look more nice, new and clean. Okay, I use some of my cream because the Louis Vuitton leather is not flat. I use brush. If you use for flat like this one, you can use only cloth as well, but you need to go through all these gaps, small gaps, and clean them up. Okay. Different ankles to clean all the gaps. A second cloth cleaner one to dry. And the third one, dry cloth to remove all these chemicals from the material. Okay, number 2 and 3. Alright, it's cleaned. Now I need to finish this spot and also clean up the brass spots. Just wipe it off and they will be ready. There's still a lot of some germs from buffing, which I need to clean them. Looks like new again. I also need to clean these hinges, which they look very dirty, rusty, or I don't know what they are. There are lots of spots. I use my earpods again. Rub it very well. Germ remover or metal polisher, whatever you use, rub it very well. It will turn to black while you're rubbing, so it means it solves the brass oxide or your metal oxide, and when it turns to black, it means you can clean it up. while cleaning. Careful, don't rub the dirt to the leather. Don't wipe it towards your leather like this or like this, and change the cloth to the clean part very often. Still makes black. Okay. Oops, sorry. I don't know if I can show you. Sorry, I dropped my camera. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Louis Vuitton bag has been cleaned, wiped, and ready to go. All the corners, studs, shiny. I tried to remove this spot here, and there's some fingerprints I need to wipe. That's it. Okay, I finished this part as I could. I fill this letters and paint all this part to look the same almost, which is very difficult job. Showing up this locks here, and that's it, ready to go to the new owner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for next videos, and I'll be happy if you have got any suggestion or any recommendations. Thanks a lot. See you next time.